Hello there, Jarek.
AGH.
I made something. Do you want to see it?
UHM.
Oh, come on, man. I'm really excited to show this.
Fine.
Say, why do you actually respond with text on the screen?
Dot.
Okay, just let's go to the project. Well, that is one of the most random intros I've ever done. Either way, let's see how my Paint program works. First, to control the program, you can use the hotbar as the UI. We have a few tools. 2 color menus, brush size, and the brush preview. If we open the color menus by dropping the item, you see we have every color we need. To actually paint a color, you just need to hold the item in your hand, and then it automatically paints beneath you. To go back to the main menu, you can just drop the first item again in your hotbar. The same goes for the second color menu. But if you want a different brush size, you can just hold the amethyst block and drop it. And then you see 4 different sizes. A 1x1, a 3x3, a 7x7 and whatever this size is. Just drop the amethyst shard of your choice and then your brush will have a different size. And lastly, if you want to hide the green square, you just hold the red glass to hide it. And holding the green glass will make it appear again. All of this is just made with commands in the Bedrock edition of Minecraft. It's actually pretty simple to understand. We basically check if the player is missing an item, and depending on the item that's missing, you will get a complete new set of items. Although there is one major problem. To understand the problem, let's take this example. Let's say you want to give the player a dirt block, stone block, and then after an empty slot, at last diamond block. At first, you might think of having 3 command blocks that give these items in order, but there is a problem. If we do this, we will just get a dirt block, stone block, and then the diamond block will just be next to the dirt and stone. But in our original example, we wanted an empty slot before the diamond block. To fix this, we first give a useless item, like this barrier. And then after we got these 4 items, we have one last command block that instantly deletes every barrier in your hotbar. Now we have the correct end result of a dirt block, stone block, and after an empty slot, a diamond block. Great, now that we know how to use the program and also a bit how it works, you may ask, how do I make my own? Now before giving a step-by-step process of how to make your own simple version, let's first have a paint battle. There will be 3 people, all with 15 minutes, and you decide who did best. Here we see contestant A, who is actually on console and couldn't use my special inventory system. So everything he did took a lot longer and he got 1 extra minute just to finish that last back window. Contestant B actually wanted to do something harder. He was going to paint a Mona Lisa and it actually went better than I expected, to be honest. The face is pretty funny though. Contestant C got off to the best start, I think, and actually thought he was going to do something amazing. But he didn't have enough time at the end and his apple tree wasn't finished in time. So who do you think did best? At the end of the video, I'll remind you that you can vote on the channel. But first, I'm now gonna show you the step-by-step process on how to make your own paint in Minecraft. And I'll be showing you all the commands. So first create a new world in creative. Make sure that the flat world and coordinates are enabled and also that sheets are enabled. Then make sure to give the cool name and create. Then type this command to get a command block. And then here in this command block I have a simple example for the color red. Since when I press the button, nothing happens. But when holding the red concrete block and then pressing the button, it will set the block below me to the red concrete. Here you see the command, and basically all that we're doing is just checking if the player has red concrete and then setting the block of red concrete below them. So if you then have one command block for each color and then make them into a chain command block instead of impulse, you can put just one repeating command block in front, then all of your command blocks will get activated. By turning this on, you can just draw any color you want in your own world. Then if you want the 3x3 area under you instead of a 1x1, you change this part of the command to this. But our chat is getting really annoying. To disable those chat commands, you can do /game rule and then command block output false. Then you don't get those annoying chat messages anymore. So that's the most basic version of Minecraft Paint. My dream is to get 50 likes on this video. I know we can do it. But do you know what's better than just paint? If the paint was actually alive. Check out this video if you're interested.